Hebei XinGuang Carton Machinery Manufacture Company Limited is a comprehensive manufacturer which focuses on corrugated cardboard production line research, development, production, sales, and service. Our 3.3 meters high-speed intelligent corrugated cardboard production line is the representative corrugated board production equipment of high-speed, high-width in China. Maximum paper width 3.3 meters. Maximum production speed 350 meters per minute, and it can achieve short meter orders without stopping machine high-speed change order. Meet multi-order production needs. Heavy-type fully automatic mill road stand. Hyperbolic heavy rocker arm design. Teeth chuck. Ventilated disc multi-point brake. Hydraulically driven lift, left and right translation. On medium, pneumatic withdrawal paper core. Hydraulic mill roll stand auto tension control cooperate with auto splicer can achieve high-speed splicing. Automatic splicer. Keep the whole board line uninterrupted work. Reduce paper loss. Greatly improve productivity. Phase paper preheater. Using large diameter heating cylinder. Electric adjustment of wrap angle. Cassette-type single-phaser. Adopt cassette corrugated group design can realize 5 minutes quick change roller. It is safe and reliable to replace the corrugated group and carry it by electric cassette trolley. The adjustment of the upper and lower corrugated roller and pressure roller is controlled by the pneumatic oil pressure system. The glue roller is controlled by the oil pressure system to accurately control the pressure. The independent transmission design of the press roller is beneficial to reduce indentation and make the strength of single corrugated paper better. Bridge conveyor frame. The overall structure space is large. Personnel operation is convenient. The conveying system adopts frequency conversion control to realize speed synchronization with single phaser. Equipped with non-power bridge automatic correction system, the upper and lower corrugated paper edges are automatically aligned, stack well, and reduce waste. Triple preheater. Each layer has a paper guide roller that is fixed and moves around the preheating roller. Heating cylinder electric rotate. Electric adjusted wrap angle. The wrap angle can adjust the heating area of the paper in the range of 270 degrees. Wrap angle is automatically adjusted with the speed, and when machine stop automatically returns to zero to facilitate paper threading. Heavy-type double glue machine. Each layer is driven by independent servo. PLC controls the glue gap and press roller gap, and automatically adjusts the presser roller gap according to different fluids. The automatic tension compensation roller can automatically adjust the misalignment caused by the thickness and length differols, as well as the roll movement, and automatically collect the deviation. so as to ensure smooth transfers processing of corrugated cardboard. Double phaser. The upper and lower belt is driven by servo motor, single and double drive for customers to choose. Cotton belt automatic correction, temperature display. The paper inlet adopts curved hot plate to raise the temperature of the face paper rapidly, can better improve the flatness of the cardboard and improve the machine speed. There are energy-saving ultra-thin new hot plates for customers to choose. PID automatic temperature control system is used to link 3-ply and 5-ply. Automatically control temperature and the number of hot plates, making it more efficient and energy-saving. XinGuang wet end control system. Connect with PMS system. It can automatically control automatic order change, automatic paper splicing, automatic adjust the wrap angle, single phaser pressure and gluing adjustment, conveyor bridge stacking, glue machine pressure and gluing adjustment, double phaser temperature and pressure adjustment. Realize intelligent automatic production. Automatic multifunctional rotary cutting machine. Using servo control cutting, quickly eliminate wasted paperboard. Servo control smooth paper feed. The total length of the paper head and the paper tail cut before and after the order does not exceed 800 mm, which can save the loss of cardboard. Computer thin knife sliter scorer. Full servo computer automatic adjustment knife. 2 sets on line production. Can achieve 1 second change order. Front and back double creasing. It can realize the front row pre-crease, flat crease, and back row concave crease and concave crease. And the front and back 2 groups creasers can be arbitrarily combined to achieve zero creasing function. Computer helical knife NC cutter. Hollow knife shaft design. Low inertia. High strength, high speed stable running. Automatic large gantry stacker. Max stack length 3,500 mm. Max stack height 1,600 mm. According to the length of the cardboard, the number of orders and the production speed automatically adjust the belt speed, so the stacking is smoother. Can be multi-order board stacking. In order to facilitate the production of small orders, gantry type cross stacking, accurate counting, automatic change order, neat stacking, front and back cross stacking, not lower speed, auto change order. The paper platform adopts incremental acceleration, which can prevent the fall down phenomenon when the paper is output. And it is connected with a production management system to make the production smoother. Whole line is equipped with computer production management system to improve the automation of the production line and more easy to operate, assist in scheduling and monitoring production status and statistics, and analyze production results to assist the customers in more efficient production and management. Hebei XinGuang Corrugating Machinery Manufacture Company Limited, with more than 30 years of research, development and manufacturing experience, adhering to quality as guarantee, service as purpose, customer as fundamental service concept, to provide our customers high speed, high intelligence, high quality, high efficiency corrugated cardboard production line. We welcome your visit and guidance.